Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the Microsoft.NET framework from the official website of Windows. To begin, simply open your browser and type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. As a next step, you want to click on the search bar and you want to type Net Framework 9 and hit enter. At this stage, you will see download.NET 9.0 for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Click on it. As a next step, or at this video, there is only 9.00, but in the future you might see the newest versions in the top, so you want to make sure to download the latest version. Simply click on the arrow and check. So this is the latest one in the top, so we are going to use the latest one. The latest version always contains the previous version, plus additional improvements and features. If you have a Linux, here you have the options on the right. If you have a Mac operating system, here you have the options. For Windows users, there are three options. ARM64, you have the x64 for computers running on 64-bit processors, and the x86 is for the 32 running processors. If you don't know which one really to use, just make sure to choose the one compatible with your processor. Check the box of your computer. If you don't have it, just put in Google the brand of your laptop plus the model and put characteristic or specifications and you'll be able to see it. Otherwise, you can simply go to your search bar and type dxdiag. This works with all versions of Windows and click on the command to open. Here you will see operating system, Windows, the version in my case 8 Pro, and here you see that I have 64-bit based system. So if you have 32, you will download the x86, and if you have 64, you click on 64 to begin the download. You'll be redirected to this page, and then the download will automatically start. If it doesn't automatically start, make sure to click here on this first line so that you start downloading manually. You will need to wait a few seconds to up to 1.5 minutes based on how fast is your internet, and after that you will have the software which you can install. Once the download completed, open the download folder, right-click with the right button of the mouse and select Run as Administrator. At this stage, the user account control panel will appear and it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just go ahead and click yes. And here, by simply clicking install, the installation process will start and you will be prompted to restart your computer and the installation will be finalized. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.